We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. All right, look what came today. Look what came today. The black cat box. Yeah, it's the black cat box. We've been waiting all year. Well, 10 months. The black cat box. Let's get it open. Are you liking the box already? Does it smell good? Do you know that it smells good? You know what's inside? Do you know what's inside? Yeah. Oh my goodness. What is it? Cat lady. What's this? Oh, you already found something you like, huh? You like that? What is that? Oh. Catnip toys. Feeling fortunate. So they're fortune teller cards. Let me get that little white thingy. I don't want you swallowing it. There's 2 of them. Look. You want to share with Zeus? Oh my. That's the good catnip again. There's 3 squishies today. One-eyed bee. Okay. We've lost her already. There she is. We're gonna have to shoot it this way so you can see the cat on the floor playing with her toys. Alright, so one thing I do know is every October they have a cat. This is not a one-eyed bee, it's a cat bee outfit on. They have a black cat, the people that do the cat boxes, cat lady box. And whatever her costume is going to be, they make. See, she has a hood. So they make the toy for October is their black cat, and then she's dressed up in a costume. And this year, she's dressed up like a bee. That's really cute. So we'll see if Vivian likes that. But the fortune teller card, definitely a hit. Definitely. So I guess maybe what we do is we just watch Vivian today. And I'll bring things to the camera. She's crazy. So there were 2 fortune teller cards with feathers, and there's catnip inside, and it's really loose in there. And I could smell it. She's like, I like that. I like that. Alright. Let me sneak over here. There's another one called Tiki Cat. And it looks like a tiki pole or a maybe a mask from the Day of the Dead, which is the 1st of November. Oh, she's just really interested in that fortune. Alright, there's the t-shirt. We'll look at it last. And this is a blanket. And it has a lot of those things on it to keep it rolled up. So it's a black blanket with cats that all interconnect. There's one of those things. That's pretty cute. I like it. And fleecy. A little fleecy blanket, huh, Vivs? Uh oh, here comes Zeus. Are you going to share with him? She says, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe you shouldn't try it. Uh oh. You let him chase you away? What do you think, Zeus, man? That one's orange. That one's orange. Are you gonna get that? Here, let's give this back to Viz. Here, I want that in your box. Had the camera over there so that I wasn't getting glare from the window. But all of a sudden, now that there's two cats, okay, and then the t-shirt this month. Oh, that's cool. Black cats. But they're like Abyssinian shape. That kind of looks like monkey. Uh-oh, there he goes with his orange toy. See? I knew he'd like that one. Did you see this one, Vivian? Did you see this one? It's a cat. Look, it even has toe beans. Did you see this one? I don't think you saw this one. Definitely got a lot of catnip in it. There. Is it good? Is it good? She doesn't know. You like that one? Alright, and then the last thing. Oh. Okay. The last thing it says it's a pill organizer. Zeus is my pill. You're a pill, Zeus. Pill organizer. Of course, you have to be smart enough to work it. Okay, so it has a little trap door there, and then when you push the button, it rotates. So you could use this for earrings when you're traveling. That'd be kind of cool. That's cute. Oh, Zeusy, now what are you after? Trouble? You after trouble? Alright, so let's see what this says. We have the 500 Black Cats blanket. Black Cat Trio Tea. The Buzzy Bumble Buddy. That's a mouthful. Buzzy Bumble Buddy catnip toy. And the Flinging Fortunes. That little orange tiki one isn't even on here. I kind of suspect that was supposed to be in the box where all the tiki stuff was. Where did you put it? What did you do with it? It's gone. So maybe they just sent it late. I don't know. So here are the shelters that they donated to, because we got the catnip, or the catnip box. Yeah, the cat lady box. And it came in a box this month, Viv. Yeah. Let's put the knife away. You shouldn't play with knives. I'm gonna wash Zeus's ears. And all these little things too. These little pokey things. Keep those away from you guys. Yep. What do you think? And And all over on the box it says, make sure to take the box apart, but make sure that your cat doesn't want it first. Cats love the boxes. Is that it? She's like, yep, it's nap time. I got my toys, and they have the good catnip, and I got my box. Now, if my brother would just leave me alone, I would be a happy girl. Yeah. I would be a happy girl. Yeah. Well, that was a good box, huh? Yeah. It's so spitty. It's so spitty. Are you tweaked out now? Oh, I can smell it from here. Imagine how strong it is for you guys. Zeus just likes to throw them underneath stuff. 500 cats on that blanket. I'll take their word for it. And a trio black cat t-shirt. That's really cute. You like it, Vivs? Yeah. She's got the other fortune thing in here. Don't let him take both of them. So this one says the chonk. That's funny. What's yours say? Let me see. The loaf. The loaf and the chonk. Zeus used to be a chonk. Yep, there it goes. Well, Vibs, you're going to get your wish. She's going to leave you alone because you knocked the toy on the floor. That's some strong stuff. Yeah. She's just gonna take a nap. She's pretty subdued from the catnip. It's working on her. Yeah. You guys are funny. You're funny. You're funny. Alright. You gonna tell everybody thanks for watching? Say thanks for watching. We'll see you next month. Bye.